how are you all? And today I want to show you that sometimes what happening with MacBooks, that this MacBook is not connecting with the monitor. It's working now with the HDMI cable, but sometimes it's not works, and it can be by any reason. Maybe sometimes you put it on sleeping mode, and when you open that, it's not working. So today I have some fixes that you can fix that, and I have these prompts. These are for terminals, so you can just go here on the search bar and search terminal, and terminal will be open here. And after that, you just copy these prompts one by one like this. And paste. It will ask you password. You can put the password like this and keep doing for all the prompts, all the commands that I showed you here. I will give you all the prompts in the link, and you can in the description, and you can copy from that. So basically you can check those commands with the ChatGPT. These are safe, no anything like hacking or any bug or any software miscellaneous virus in this. So you can check on the ChatGPT and verify that. After that, you can try it on your MacBook, and after that, the most important part is you just shut down your computer and remove all the cables, including your charging cables. And I think it will be better for you if you can keep waiting for 2 minutes, minimum 2 minutes, then open it again without connecting anything, then plug your HDMI cable, and it will start working very fine. But sometimes maybe it not work for you. Then what you have to do, you just need to check what latest software or what latest plugin you have installed in the MacBook, because some people are doing the work of the graphic design and motion design, and they need many plugins for the After Effects and some other softwares, and those plugins actually disturbing the color profile of the MacBook, and that's why your external monitor is not able to handshake with the MacBook. So this is the problem, and you can fix that. Thank you.